guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a wig review on this unit that I have on right here. Okay, so if you'd like to hear more about this unit and the pluses and minuses, stay tuned. Okay guys, so today's review is on this body wave unit from Atina. Is it Atina? Yes, Atina colored lace wigs. Colored kind of scares me that it says it on the box, but it wasn't there online. This is a 13x6 lace front unit and I have it in the length 22 inches. Now obviously it said body wave and you see that the hair is straight because I went ahead and straightened it, but this hair, my friend, comes in a 250 density. Okay, now I can't really testify and say this is 250 density because I've never had a 250 density, but it does feel thick. Like I feel like I'm very covered. Though you see like that space right there, this hair is hefty. Like it's a lot of hair. Let me try to toss it all back. If I toss it all back and turn around for you, there will be no gaps, no spaces. I know like sometimes I watch wig reviews and I'm just like, yo, that doesn't look thick enough. I promise you this hair is thick. It's not like so thick that you're just like, oh dang, like where am I gonna fit all of this? But it is indeed thick. I keep looking to make sure that I'm clear, sorry. So I'm gonna do a strand test so we can see if it curls back. I have not curled this back yet, so you will learn as I learn, and then I will go ahead and give you some specs. So I'm gonna take my basic curling wand, give it a few seconds, see if that curls up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. I think we passed the curl test. Well, crimp test, because I don't think I held it long enough. Let's see if I hold it a little longer. Will the curl be deeper? So yes, the curl does get deeper. So it does pass the curl test. I'll probably wear some curls in it tomorrow and then attach a video or a picture of that. Take my Denman and let's just straighten her back out. Probably a lot of processed heat that just went through this hair. And it straightens. Ooh, you saw that smoke, right? She straightens back out. So let's talk specs, sorry, on this unit. Let me get to my notes. So like I said, it is a wig unit from Atina Hair. It is in the body wave format with Swiss lace. Okay, so this lace here, I don't know how to bleach lace. I don't know how to tint lace. So you're literally getting what you're getting until I learn how to perfect this. But it is a lace front with a little bit of lace in the back. I went ahead and attached a band. It did not come with a band. Inside the box, you will receive the wig cap that nobody uses and a set of lashes that nobody wears. So don't be too excited looking for more. The hair came in a plastic baggie. I have no idea where I threw it, but it came in that and it was ready to go. It didn't take too long for me to do this. The cap is, I thought I had an average size head because when I buy wigs, like average normally fits, but this average was bigger. So this wig is big head friendly for all of my big head sisters. It comes in, the lace is a medium brown, it says. I feel like it's light, but who am I to say what's light and what's not. The hair is in the natural hair color. It actually looks dark indoors, but I know like by looking at the hair, it is a brown tint or a brown color. So that natural brown color. So if you like to dye the hair, you can go ahead and do it. Again, I said it's 250 density. The cap size is medium 22 to 22.5, which is actually, I guess. I still feel like it's big. Baby hairs, I didn't really see baby hairs. There was enough spacing by the front of the hair, I guess. But I did cut my own baby hairs and I cut little sideburn thangs. It came, when did I order this? Let me go back. I'm like trying to make sure I'm giving you guys exact details. I ordered it on the 26th and she came in the mail yesterday, the 30th. So it took 4 days to get to me, so it won't take too long. Again, 13 woo, child of God. It said pre-plucked. I think it was pre-plucked, but it is shed test. What I will say is there was some shedding. I actually collected all the hairs so I collected the hairs from the shedding, and I also collected the hairs from when I plucked a little bit around the front and when I cut the lace by my ears. I bundled it all together so you can see exactly how much hair was actually lost. Don't judge my stomach. If you can see it. So, all together, can you see that? Ugh, Lord have mercy. Well, all together, get in the little focus box. This is all the hair that has come from this. You see the little piece of the lace that I cut off? And then the sideburns and stuff. This is all the hair that came from customizing this unit. What I will say is there was one flaw that I really do not like. Like, I'm getting a call, sorry. I'm recording my YouTube video. Can I call you back? Shush. Bye. Okay, sorry. One huge flaw that I did not like about this hair is that there were like little short pieces. Let me see if I can pull them up. Like by the top. That irked me so much because then it's just like, if I didn't go through like section by section, I probably never would have caught this. But I did find this somewhere towards the just to straighten that back, towards the lower part, that there were similar section strands. Let me see if I can find one. Ugh, so many heating utensils. Like when I was in the partings, while I was straightening my hair, I found that I can't see any now, but there were like little stubby pieces that were in the hair, and I hated that because then it's like, are you jipping me, sis? Like, why be doing this? But I'll get over it. Besides that, I think this is a wonderful, especially for the price. I paid $188 for 250 density 22-inch. Where are you getting that? Nowhere. So I really feel like, and the quality of the hair feels so nice. Since like I've straightened the hair and everything, I haven't gotten any strands from it. But again, this is fresh install, so. And I also need to talk about my adhesive. I actually use something different. I don't know if there are many videos on this. It was recommended by the beauty supply store that I was at. I don't even know where I put the remover. But I tried out Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Lace Wig Bond. And this is in the, I guess, style Absolute, because it was firm. This one's Absolute, which is like an extreme hold. This wig is not coming off. Like, it's amazing, and it's water resistant. I don't know if I want to get in the shower with this, but I guess I'll sweat it out at the gym and see if it comes off. But this is water resistant, and I also purchased the remover. So it is so strong that it comes with its own remover. The remover was $9.99 and Esha itself was $16.99, which is cheaper than Ghost Bond. So I would highly recommend this. You literally put it on the front. Don't let it dry. Press your lace forward and hold. I guess I made a couple of mistakes where I let it dry because I thought I was doing it like got to be glue. And then I read, oh, not supposed to let it dry. So yes, besides that, I think it's amazing. The wig is not moving. I'm about to go out and enjoy my evening. But I just thought I'd do a quick review on this lovely unit. I guess I can stand up and show you the length of this unit. Let me straighten all her strands because I've been tossing it to show you. So she comes about, sorry, my spandex is stretching. This is where my boobies end. This is where the hair ends. And then this is my backside. I'm waiting for the camera to focus. Okay, backside. The hair comes down to right above my butt. Okay, so Focus camera. Okay, so I hope I gave you guys enough information about this unit. Again, it's the 250 density 13x6 lace front wig from Atina Wigs. I will go ahead and leave the details for you guys below, and on the back of the box it has their WhatsApp, their email, and any other details that you might need. Sorry for the noise in the background. Junior, shut up! Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review, and go out and get your own wig. This is amazing. I will keep wearing her, and I'll probably give you guys a 1-month update. I will definitely be wearing her for my anniversary, so stay tuned, I guess. Thank you for watching. Ooh, almost left. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click below. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments if you would like to see anything else that's out of the regular wig video. I am so up for it, okay? So that will be all for today. Bye bye. There's like not many days where I come with a filter, so for a day like this to come across